Happy Thanksgiving. If it is not Thanksgiving where you live, happy Thursday. Today I'm giving you the Glass Bridge mod from Squid Game, but I would like, if you got time, please check out HavocNG BeamNG's site. I'm going to link his channel on the description. He made a really cool video. I made this mod for him about 2-3 weeks ago, and he put a really nice video together, a little short funny video from the Squid Games using the track. He's got a lot of useful tutorials and a lot of cool videos. He's got an artist mind like mine, always thinking outside the box, and he's got some pretty insane stuff. I was blown away by some of these things he's done, just the sheer volume of cars and crashes and stuff.